Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, here's a trade that we had this morning on WAG, good old Walgreens. It had opened up down here. This is the opening line right here, about 16%, and then proceeded to fall down here. These are actually my trading right off of this chart. You can see these are the lines that I'm making as the trades are progressing. And right now, what's it doing? It's doing what we call a high base, right at the $45 mark, which, if you look here in pre-market, was quite the support, and now it's being resistance. So I told folks to set a trade just above the $45 mark, and if it breaks that, we want to be long. Let's see what happened next. Boom! There she goes, bumped up there, and I got in and I'm long at $45.08. And then it proceeded to go up here all the way to $45.30 and then began to pull back. So I'm pulling my stuff up here behind this 8 EMA, using that as a little bit of protection, and bam, there it goes. It completely fell down here below the 8 EMA and got me out at $44.94 for minus 0.3% in just 6 minutes. Yep, well, that was a great setup, and it broke the $45, but guess what? Sometimes they just don't go your way. We got to remember that this is a probability that it's going to go in our direction if we're to break out there. It's not a certainty. So that's why we use stops, and we keep moving them to minimize our risk. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just want to remind you, as Tony Turner says, these trading patterns work every single time, except when they don't. Trade well, everyone.